So Ricardo's finishing the last two expansion joints. You can see these are already prepared with the clean out. They already have their primer, and he's going to be able to finish the urethane on the complete the south side 100%, and then this expansion joint is the first one on the east side, and these two are already that one's prepared. This one is going to need the preparation. This one's going to be continued. Let me show you an inside that has no backer rod yet. It's only been cleaned out, and you can see here Berna is working on with the addition of the second boom. He's working there on the removal of the old sealant and cleaning out the joint. These areas here are going to be used. Let me show you here. So you can see this joint is completely cleaned out. So the game plan is to finish these lower areas throughout the week and come back the following Monday to do the upper areas, because this entire area is full of motorcycles. So today they don't open, so that's why they're able to take advantage of the day to do the work. And all we're doing is the expansion joints. That's all that's being done here. White urethane, but we're just gonna break it up in two halves, and then of course they're gonna start the application of the finish coat elastomeric on the south side.